I'm Sylvie Charrel, Project Manager in Packaging and Innovation in Plastipolis. Plastipolis is the only French cluster dedicated to plastic and composite industry, catering more than 400 members, among them 250 companies and 90 R&D centers. Plastipolis fosters and develops innovation for plastic industry, thanks to collaborative R&D projects with around 175 projects funded and more than 25 European projects supported. Plastipolis also help companies in their investment and industrialization activities, and of course, for their international development. Plastipolis is partner of AlpLinkBioEco project, funded with an Interreg Alpine Space program. The objective of AlpLinkBioEco is to develop a cross-Alpine circular bio-based economy strategy by generating new value chain between actors. In this video, I will summarize the piloting session in relation with the BioLink we have developed. The objective of this piloting session is to define the technical and economic feasibility regarding the new value chain. I will try to explain how I have achieved it and the results. So the first step was to identify two sectors which could be involved in the value chain. In the value chain, we involve agriculture and packaging. The next step was to develop the value chain. As pole of competitiveness, we are regularly contacted by partners for developing new materials. And an actor named Hay had informed us of his idea. In this example, the value chain idea is to revalorize bird feather, which are until now valued in heat production or as soil conditioner, as much to say with no added value. What are the advantages of this byproduct? First, the weight. Second, a low density. And thirdly, insulating. And also it has other characteristics like absorbent, bio-based and biodegradable. So we thought that it could be used by a plastic company for replacing fossil polymer. We have used the value chain generator to search plastic companies who can be interested by the new value chain and for developing the business idea. We founded different plastic companies who could be involved, but we chosen one, named Hector B. We have contacted the two companies, Hector A and Hector B, to put them in touch. We have explained the objective of AlpLinkBioEco and planned an interview with the presentation of the value chain generator and also the BioLink we proposed. After this, we have conducted the piloting session by phone due to COVID-19 restriction. For this discussion, we used the questionnaire redacted by Business Upper Austria and we used the guideline. During this piloting session, we had a long discussion about possibilities, new development, price of the material, and so on. After the meeting, the two companies have decided to stop the discussion because the price of byproducts is too high to be introduced and used in the product of Hector B. I would like to thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.